Welcome back to the shop, guys. Super pumped to introduce you to this new product. This is our 06 to 19 billet coolant drain for all you Duramax guys out there. It's the last major mess you're gonna have to make when you service that cooling system. For starters, we have the billet adapter piece. Up next is the drain itself, which screws right into the adapter, real simple. And then also two T-bolt clamps. So here's the rundown on the quick tools you're gonna need to get this installed. A 5/8 or a 16mm box wrench, an 11mm deep socket, a very sharp razor blade, or preferably ginormous hose cutters. So picture you're under the truck and this is your lower rad hose. Find a spot that's nice and clean, cut it as straight as you can, and let that coolant drain. All right, so now that you got two separate hoses, we're gonna go ahead and get the billet piece inserted. I will start by loosely putting the clamps in place. Slide in your fitting. You can put it right up to the little bumped edge here. The goal here is to tighten the clamp close to this edge, but beyond the bead roll. So now that you got the billet adapter in place, clamps are tightened, you got your drain secured as well. Start by putting a little bit of antifreeze in the truck and just double check before you fully fill the system that there's no residual leaks. If you need to tighten up those clamps real quick, that's fine. If you gotta put another snug on this, so be it. Next up, we're gonna take this over to the sink just to fill it with some water to kind of mimic this being under your truck. We got some water in there. So at this point, just gonna crack this loose and watch the coolant drain. When you're done, snug it back up, double check for leaks, and you are good to go.